Hello everyone and welcome to Decipher, the flagship event of our annual Media Fest CMS weekend. Since most of you are participating in a treasure hunt for the first time, let's just start with what actually happens in a treasure hunt. So in this event, you are initially provided with two things, that is a map and the starting of the storyline that you have already received in the WhatsApp group. And then the event officially starts when you receive the first clue card. Then you solve it, look for the answer on the map, go to that place and collect the next clue, and this cycle continues until you reach the last clue and the mystery that is there in the story is resolved. The same concept applies here as well, but rather than going from one place to another, here you have to move from one Instagram account to another. So let's start with the instructions. So first of all, the team size should be 1 to 2 members, and also it's an open event, तो जिन्होंने register नहीं भी किया है they can also play. Then the second point says the entire event will be conducted through Instagram and WhatsApp. Then there are a total of 12 clues and these clues consist of some riddles and puzzles. अच्छा, one more thing, you have already received the map and starting of the storyline. तो अब बात आती है first clue कैसे मिलेगा. उसके लिए just have a look at the fifth point. It says the first clue will be uploaded on our official Instagram page, that is CMS SRCC at 5 p.m. And as soon as the first clue is posted, the event will start officially. Then coming to the sixth point, it says it's related to map. It says the map has 3 elements for every location: name of the place, its unique code, and an acronym. So this example we have taken from the map itself. Sports ground is the name of a place, 27 is its unique code, and SPR is its acronym, that is its short form. अच्छा, तो अब बात आती है what is the significance of these 3 elements. तो इसके बारे में let's see in the next 2 points. So the 7th point says the answer of each clue is either the name of a place or its unique code that are mentioned on the map. अच्छा, answers का समझ आ गया, but where will we get the next clue card? उसके लिए come to the 8th point which says the acronym given on the map will lead you to the next clue. For example, if the answer of a clue is sports ground or 27 and it's mentioned in the clue that you will find the next clue at U-P-S- then you need to search for a page with username USPPSR to get the next clue. So first of all, this line, that is you will find the next clue at U-P-S-, it is there at the end of each clue. अलग फॉर्म में हो सकती है but it is there. और इसमें you just need to fill the acronyms to find the Instagram page containing the next clue. तो I hope it is clear, but अब भी अगर थोड़ा डाउट है तो just see this example. Now I hope everyone knows how they need to proceed, and you guys have to proceed in the same way until you reach the 12th clue, that is the 9th point. Then the 10th point says 12th clue will give you the password of the PDF that has been sent on the WhatsApp group, and then the first team that will complete the task given in the PDF wins. उसके बाद we have 12th point, उसका थोड़ा खास ध्यान रखना. You need to like each clue which is posted on different Instagram pages and the same will be checked to ensure that you have solved all the clues. उसके बाद we have 13th clue which says you need to scribble down a proper sequence of the clues. The same will be used at the end. So basically you just need to know the proper sequence of the clues because the clue number is not mentioned on any clue to avoid the scope of hit and trial method. Last में there is an element जिसमें you need to know the proper sequence of the clue, otherwise you won't be able to proceed. So better scribble it down or just keep an eye on it. Then the 14th point is related to hints. It says hints for clue number 4 to 10 will be uploaded as a story on official Instagram account of CMS SRCC during the event. And finally we have 15th point which says there will be only one winner. It would be better that you don't tell the answers to your friends. And if you face any difficulty or have any doubts during the event or just after the video, you can contact any of these 4 people. So I guess that's it from our side. Just a suggestion, don't go for hit and trial method, otherwise you will regret at the end. Best of luck.